Greetings, affiliate marketers and future YouTubers. Welcome to How to Webmaster. Today I am reviewing and testing out Quantum app. This is the next generation app that is a ChatGPT add-on that creates done for you, set and forget $500 daily YouTube channels in less than 60 seconds flat. No technical skills required, no creating videos, and no being on the camera. And you get all of this for only $17 today. And here's some of the free traffic and sales. Thousands of dollars every day. 3 easy steps. Buy the program, set it up. It's actually online. And activate it, and in 60 seconds, thanks to the AI robot, you can run a fully faceless YouTube channel without lifting a finger 24/7. So here's what you're actually getting with this Quantum app. Here's the dashboard, and you actually don't get anything done for you. There's no set and forget. All the videos you actually have to make it yourself, and the AI in this Quantum app is actually useless. And basically, let me just type in an example. Let's search for some dog videos, okay, and then you get a bunch of stock royalty free dog videos. So nothing new, these are not AI generated. And here's an example, just a short clip, just like any other free stock video sites, Pixabay, Unsplash, or wherever, and you can download it or edit. So here's actually how you make your video, supposedly generated by AI, but nothing is generated by AI. Everything you have to do it by hand. Here's the video, and then you have to add in your images and your voice, your audio. It's basically a online video editor, and it's actually not even that good. So basically that's it. It is an online video editor. There's no AI. I don't know where you would use AI. So the next feature is the AI robot. So here is the AI robot, and I just enter in some prompts. Actually, let me start at the beginning. First, I ask this Quantum AI robot to write me a script on how to fly fish, and then here it actually gave me a small little script on how to fly fish. And then I ask it to write me a long video script, 1,000 words, and now it is talking about a video script on the invention of the light bulb. So it's incoherent, it doesn't connect to each other. And then it talk about the architecture, a script about an architecture. So nothing's connected. So basically useless. You can't really use it for anything. It only gives you short answers. Can't write a script. And other things like the thumbnail, it's just a waste of time. This is not a thumbnail generator app. It is a simple image editor. You have to make your own thumbnails from scratch pretty much. Basically, Quantum app has a very beautiful flashy sales page, but the app is quite useless. This is what it is. So I hope this video helps. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more reviews and all that. Thanks again.